My name is Sean Mughal, and I'm an attorney. I participated in the THRIVE program. The type of business that I run is a small law firm. Just me as a lawyer, and then sometimes I'll have a paralegal. There were times where I would have a couple of lawyers, but it was a roller coaster ride. And I was at one of these roller coaster rides where THRIVE came in. Before I joined THRIVE, the uncertainties that I was facing was that I was doing the same thing for years and expecting a different result. And I was at one of those moments where I was very low in my life, where I was deciding whether I need to shut my business down and go get a job as a lawyer or even in another field. And that is where I came across the THRIVE program, and I said, I'm going to give my business one last try. A specific change that directly resulted from THRIVE was reorganizing my website, improving the SEO, search engine optimization on it. So the website became more coherent. Instead of talking about a million things, it talked about the things that I actually was selling, providing to my clients. So I was able to fine-tune that. And then also those same services were then fine-tuned through YouTube videos. So as if everything on my website talked about a coherent set of services such as immigration, civil lawsuits, warrant and debts, landlord-tenant. So those were the specific concrete changes that made me more successful as far as sales go.